Hi, my name is Vinny McKenzie with Anjon Manufacturing, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about our Big Frog series pumps. These pumps are direct drive style motors suitable for high head applications, and they are not really recommended for low head applications. These pumps lead the market with a less than 1% return rate, so hardly any of these pumps that go out ever come back to us for warranty, and actually all the parts are interchangeable. So if you ever have a blown capacitor or you need new seals, all the parts can be swapped out and you can get your pump back up and running. These pumps come with a biodegradable mineral oil, so they'll be fish safe. All these pumps have the ability to pass up to 1.25 inch solids. They also come with an overload sensor, so if the water level starts to drop and the motor starts to heat up, the sensor will actually shut the motor off before any damage occurs to the motor. These pumps are also TUV certified, meaning they can be sold in European markets. All these pumps will also come with our 2-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any questions about these pumps, please feel free to reach out to Anjon Manufacturing or your nearest Anjon distributor. Thank you.